Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your ZTE RedMagic 10R into the lost database on the IMEI.info page. Alright, so now in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our device. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there's a video and I'm showing you all possible options on this site. And in that video I'm also showing how to find the IMEI number. So simply type your number and now click on this blue button, check IMEI. And now scroll down into the bottom. Okay, in here we can see the basic information about our device. As we click on expand info we can also see more information, but we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find the basic checks, and in here we have option lost device add. Simply click on that. In here type your IMEI number. You can also type your second IMEI number and the serial number. Below type the city where you lost your device. Below type your email. Next, type your phone number with the country code. Okay, just like that. And then the price. Enter the value of the recovery reward in US dollars. Then the country where it was. And now the description. Describe the item or circumstances of the loss of the device. Remember that the description should be as much precise as possible. So now give me a second. I will type an example of the description and I'll show you how this should work. Alright, so that's an example of the description, as you can see right now. Below type your contact name. Then type the incident date and enter it in that format. So first type the year, then the month and then the day. Okay, just like that. Below we have the agreements. Simply agree to both of those things. And now simply click on this blue button, report lost/stolen IMEI. Okay, thanks for reporting. Your application requires verification. Please check your email. In here we can also see review. How does it look like? And now simply log into your mail. Alright. Okay, find the message from the IMEI.info and now click on verify your request. Alright, your report has been verified. And that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.